Hey y'all, today I haven't done one of these videos in, I can't tell you the last time I did an unboxing video, but I have something here fresh out of the rain. I don't know if you guys can hear the rain falling, but it's raining bad here, and I'm just gonna go ahead with this unboxing. I'm super excited about this. This is something that I never thought that I would be like, yeah, let me get one of them. So that is the it's from Saks Fifth Avenue. And one thing that I wanted to tell you guys was for people who may or may not know, Ebates. I use Ebates. Ebates gives you money back when you buy things from certain places, and Saks Fifth Avenue happens to be one of them, and they had like a 10% cash back when I ordered this. So I got quite a bit of money back when I ordered it. So it came in this is like, I think, a protection type of thing. And in that bag we have, it's wrapped up in some more tissue paper, and in that tissue paper we have this. Now, all of my unboxings in 2018 have been from Gucci. I have not gotten anything from anybody but Gucci. My wish list is very short. It's very precise. I'm not willing to bend or give on the things that are on there, because I feel like the things that are on there are things that I know that I am definitely here for and that I'm definitely going to use. So without further, like, what did she get? It's an unboxing. Can y'all believe I'm doing an unboxing? I'll do like a reveal and stuff, but I haven't done an unboxing. So I am here to unbox my newest Gucci, if it'll come out. This is one of their waist bags, one of their fanny packs, bum bag. And as you all know, they always come very wrapped. And here is the Saks tag. And I paid, really, camera, I paid $750 for this bum bag. I felt it was only right that I participate in this trend. Oh, it's in a magnetic snap, so it says Gucci here. What I love about it is this old school Gucci. It's this is the Gucci, I guess it's a Gucci tag here. Does it say Gucci on it? Yeah, it says Gucci right there. And it's got the paper in it, and it's got all the cards and stuff that go with it, and the little that little piece of the fabric or whatever that comes with it. And oh, it's got a little crease in it. So it is, you see the little crease. I don't know if that was from shipping or what, but y'all know I don't care about stuff like that, because you can't even see it when it's closed. This magnet is serious. So you open it up like that, and it has Gucci made in Italy. It's that like cotton soft fabric, and it has the buckle that is adjustable. And I loved it because it wasn't like a traditional belt. It was like old school snap waist belt bag, and I liked it because it was adjustable. A lot of the other ones come with like a true belt, and you have to get them, you know, like to fit your waist. This one, I'm able to, oh my god, it's so, oh my god, it's so tight. I'm able to adjust it, and I'm able to rock it. I have on the hood today. I'm able to rock it like this. Yes, I am so excited about this bag. So that is my unboxing, guys. It was a true unboxing. It was really quick. Of course, I'm going to play with it, do some, see how I like it on my waist, see how what all I can fit in it, and I'll do like a review, you know, like a first impressions kind of thing. But I did want to just show you that your girl is trendy, okay? I am here for this trend right here. I think that this is awesome. I feel like I just really like this. This is so cool. I'm so excited to have it. All right, guys, I'm gonna quit talking. This is a really quick unboxing. I will put as much of the information. I have my receipt from Saks Fifth Avenue, and I think I have how to spend this $100. They gave me a special gift for you. I got $100 off something if I claim it or something. So I'm gonna look and see what I'm supposed to do with this, and I'm going to wait a minute. Let me just put it on for y'all one more time. Now, anybody that know me know I am a crossbody loving fool, and this right here, I'm getting ready to wear the hell out of this. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you, I'm getting ready to wear the green and red stripe off. That's all I got, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and eat my pizza and play with my new bag, and I will see you guys at the next in the next video, which will probably be on this bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You got to see like the excitement. I love it. I'm here for this. Okay, bye.